truck.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today. Your United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor. The Raptor's advanced flight controls combined with its powerful engines allow the F-22 to pull more than 9 times the force of gravity. Watch from the right as the Raptor demonstrates its tight turn capability with a mid-radius horizontal turn, then power straight up into the vertical. Then watch as Captain Letourneau changes its direction with the amazing J-turn reposition. Satellite-guided bombs. The F-22 is the first supersonic, multi-role, and highly agile ready as hammers, the Raptor banks it from the left and cycles its weaponry north. The F-22 possesses the ability to point its nose at will, even at extremely low airspeeds and high angles of attack. Watch closely as the aircraft pulls into the vertical and executes a 360-degree aileron roll. At altitude, the jet will flip backwards and level off, execute an immediate 180-degree flat turn, then reverse the turn in the opposite direction, all in under 3,500 feet of altitude and under complete control. See that sky, we're gonna reach it now. Do you feel alive? right as it cars through a loop.
A lot of things it takes for me.
Even without using its afterburner. Accelerating from 90 knots to over 600, Captain Letourneau will now roll inverted in preparation for the success reposition and high-speed pass, showcasing the contraction of the aircraft's supercruise and full-speed capability. Flying in formation today is a World War II era P-51 Mustang, piloted by Jim.
Freedom.